Welcome students. In this video we will create a program to display the table of a number using for loop. To clearly understand the working of for loop in C++ programming, this program will ask the user to enter a number and then it will display the table of that number. So first of all, create a variable number and ask the user to enter a number. So cout enter a number, and then cin statement to store this number entered by the user into the number variable. Now use a for loop to print the table of a number. For int I is equal to 1, as the table of number start from the multiplication with 1, multiplication with 2, and so on. So initialize I with 1 and then give this the condition I less than is equal to 10, I less than or equal to 10, as number of iteration in table are 10. So I less than is equal to 10, and then increment the value of I with 1 8 each iteration. So write I plus plus. Now in the body of the loop, write the statement to print the table. So cout, as first of all there will be the number on each iteration, number multiplied by 1, number multiplied by 2, number multiplied by 3, number multiplied by 4. So on each iteration, first there will be a value of number, then there will be a sign of multiplication, then there will be the value of I on each iteration. At the first iteration it will look like number multiplied by I, mean I value of 1, number multiplied by 1, and then there will be an equal sign, and after the equal sign there will be the value of table for that at iteration, that is a number multiplied by I. Let's run the program to check whether it is working or not. It asks the user to enter a number. Let's enter 10, and it display the table of a number. 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10, 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20, and up to so on. But it displayed the table on the same line. Here after this statement and the new line and line. So on each iteration of loop, line will be ended, and the next time the cout statement will display the output on the next line. Now let's run again, and you can see program prompted enter a number. Let's enter 5, and it displayed the table of 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, and up to 10. You can run again to add other number, like print the table of 16, and it displayed the table of 16. So we created a C++ program that prints a table of a number. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.